I'm here again in the school. I just dropped the kids. I wait for a while. It's still early. Nobody's in the classroom. Teacher went down. Wow, you have a nice dress. I like your dress. I like your dress. Ah, it's foggy. Foggy and cloudy. Look like it's going to rain. See? It's cloudy and foggy. Cloudy and foggy afternoon. There is no sun. The sun is hiding. See, very dark. It's a foggy.